Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix error 195. The AMD server installer cannot continue because it is unable to access the required web resources. So if you encounter this error, it means when you install the AMD driver with a AMD auto detect and install tool, your internet connection is cutting off, or your internet connection is shut down, so you cannot complete installations, you can finish it. And also there is another cause which can found in this amd.com. So please make sure you are running the latest version of the AMD auto detect, but I recommend you to manually install the graphic card. Do not use the AMD auto detect. You can try to search your graphic processor chipsets. For example, the graphics Radeon RX 5000, this one. Submit, and you can download manually the package in here. AMD Software Adrenaline Edition, the latest version, 24.7.1. Yeah. And also you have to turn off your antivirus for temporarily, and also you can configure system firewall. Yeah, you can allow an app through Windows firewall. You can click it and allow AMD run the AMD servers while the AMD software installer is running. And if the AMD servers temporarily offline due to maintenance, you cannot do anything. Just wait for AMD servers run normally. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also click the next button below. See you in the next video.